Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2013 question 15a. We will use Pythagoras theorem first, and then use the cosine rule to find the angle. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. The question gives us AB equals 3 centimeters, BC equals 4 centimeters, CD equals 6 centimeters, DA equals 7 centimeters, and angle ABC equals 90 degrees. We are asked to calculate angle ADC, correct to the nearest degree. The angle we want is in triangle ADC, but we do not yet know all three sides of triangle ADC. To use the cosine rule in triangle ADC, we need the side AC. Since triangle ABC is right-angled at B, we can use Pythagoras theorem to find AC. We draw diagonal AC. This creates two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. We first use triangle ABC to find AC, then use triangle ADC to find a required angle at D. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. Let angle ADC equals theta. We need to find theta. From triangle ABC, the right angle is at B, so AC is the hypotenuse. We use Pythagoras theorem. So, actini equal 5 centimeters. This is the common 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Now look at triangle ADC. We know all three sides. AD equals 7 centimeters, CD equals 6 centimeters, and AC equals 5 centimeters. The required angle theta is between the two sides AD and CD. Since we know all three sides and we want an angle, the cosine rule is the best method. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We apply the cosine rule in triangle ADC. The side opposite theta is AC. The two sides forming the angle theta are AD and CD. Now substitute AC equals 5, AD equals 7, and CD equals 6. We square the known sides. Also, 276 equals 84. Substitute the known side lengths. AC squared equals AD squared plus length of CD squared minus 2 AD, length of CD, cos of theta. Substitute the known side lengths. 5 squared equals 7 squared plus 6 squared minus 2, 7, 6, cos of theta. 25 equals 49 plus 36 metasetercinus 84 cos of theta. 25 equals 85 metasetercinus 84 cos of theta. Now solve for cos of theta. Move 84 cos of theta to the left side and move 25 to the right side. Then divide by 84. 25 equals 85 metasetercinus 84 cos of theta. (84 cos of theta equals 85 metasetercinus 25. 84 cos of theta equals 60. Cos of theta equals 60 over 84. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. To find the angle, take inverse cosine. This gives theta equals 44.4 degrees. Correct to the nearest degree, this is 44 degrees. Theta equals cos to the power of minus 1, 0.7143. Theta equals 44.4 degrees. (44.4 degrees, 44 degrees). To the nearest degree. Therefore, angle ADC is 44 degrees, correct to the nearest degree. To summarize, we first used the right-angled triangle, ABC, to find AC equals 5 centimeters. Then we used the cosine rule in triangle, ADC, because all three sides were known and we needed the angle at D. This is the final answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.